So what's up everybody, and welcome back to another video on this channel. And yeah, today it's time for another photography session. This time here at this location. And nice. And yeah, again some moody weather, and I hope we can get some good shots. I like these colors here. Here again I'm using the Canon EOS R5 and the 70-200 2.8 IS2, the EF version, so it's not the RF version. Currently my favorite setup next to the RF 35mm, but yeah. I really like these autumn colors here. Oh, that looks nice here. So let's see what's up here. Hopefully we can get into the forest a little bit to take some nice pictures here. I really like this place here. It's so beautiful. Well, maybe we can. Oh, this looks nice. There's a dead hair, darker. I mean, look at that. That's so beautiful. I think let's switch lenses to the RF 35mm. So let's take another leaf shot. This one is really beautiful. Let's try this here. That's definitely one of my favorite shots for the day. And look at this, yeah, that's so beautiful. In case if you wonder how to get these nice, really close-ups, use a macro lens like this RF 35mm 1.8. That's perfect for close-ups, especially if you want to get this dark, moody look. Just put the exposure down, use a good f-stop so you can get the nice bokeh. And then in the editing you don't have to do that much. Just push the colors that you like, some contrast, and that's it. And see the opportunities like this one here. I mean, you have plenty of opportunities. And if you have some friends or a model, it's even better because you can do all kind of stuff here too. All you need to do is to get out and take some photos. Oh yeah, these here are nice. So, what is your favorite season of the year to take photos? Currently I would say autumn, because look at that, look at these colors. Let's see, this is just a random snap. That's nice. I really like these small details in the picture. So like these water drops, or if you edit the picture in a way so you just focus on the key element while the rest stays behind. A lot of people always try to focus on these big landscapes here, like this here. But I think if you set a focus, sometimes it might be better. Sometimes the random shot that you got might be the best photo of the whole trip. Maybe this one here. Let's put it right here. This to the side. That one was really nice. That was a great idea. So yeah, I think we got a couple of good shots. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.